Right now, the technology sector is building upward with more velocity and weight than at any point in recent history. In just 5 trading days, institutional investors moved over $1 billion into American Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded funds. It is the strongest cash inflow the crypto market has seen since April, signaling a massive rush of returning capital. At the exact same time, AI giants like OpenAI are absorbing smaller startups, recently acquiring the presentation tool NextSlide to integrate its engineering team and expand ChatGPT's visual capabilities. But underneath the rush of venture capital and corporate acquisitions, the physical and digital systems holding up this growth are showing signs of exhaustion. This industry operates on 3 precarious layers: the physical energy it burns, the software that secures it, and the human labor that builds it. And right now, the weight of hyper-accelerated demand is creating deep fractures through all 3. Everything starts with the immense volume of electricity required to sustain this momentum. Training and running a massive AI model like GPT-4 consumes multiple megawatts, and as the user base grows, those power needs increase exponentially. To bridge this power gap, Amazon is investing in a private 7.65 gigawatt natural gas power plant in Pecos County, Texas, designed specifically to feed its expanding AI data centers. America's largest coal plant emits 25 million tons of CO2 annually, but this Amazon project is permitted 33 million tons. Ironically, this massive increase comes from a climate pledge founder. Despite committing to net zero by 2040, Amazon's footprint has actually risen to build AI infrastructure. The cloud relies on a sprawling, carbon-heavy physical infrastructure that currently moves in direct opposition to corporate sustainability promises. In the middle layer, that same rapid scaling is compromising system integrity. Companies are expanding their databases so quickly that security protocols cannot keep pace with the vulnerabilities they create. This was demonstrated by a critical 0-day vulnerability in Metabase, a popular business intelligence tool. The flaw scored a maximum 10.0 on the severity scale and was actively exploited to expose customer data from companies like Framework and Tally. A SQL injection targeted a password reset endpoint, allowing attackers full administrative access without any authentication. While payment details remained secure, the breach leaked names, addresses, emails, and IPs, the exact identifying information fraudsters require to launch targeted phishing attacks. This environment has become so chaotic that Google's Threat Intelligence Group is entirely overhauling how it tracks and names hacking groups to cut through the industry's confusion. They've moved to a 2-word geographic system to make identification more transparent. Now, analysts use names like Castle for groups in China, Ion for Iran, and Neptune for North Korea. When digital expansion outpaces security protocols, basic user privacy becomes the cost of growth. At the very top of the infrastructure are the human creators responsible for building the digital world in the first place. While some companies spend freely to acquire new talent, others are gutting their existing teams. Microsoft recently laid off 3,200 people from its Xbox division as part of a massive internal restructuring. The cuts hit id Software particularly hard, removing 136 developers. This represents half the studio, including veterans who spent years building the Doom franchise. Lead programmer Chris Hayes responded to the layoffs by noting that corporate leadership appears to lack a basic understanding of the art and human craft required to make game development successful. In the pursuit of short-term margins to fund new technical expansion, corporations are treating decades of embedded human knowledge as a disposable line item. Billion-dollar inflows and aggressive AI expansion have established a high-velocity baseline for the technology industry, but this pace demands an exact toll at every layer of the infrastructure. The current growth model is leaving behind record-breaking pollution, exposed personal records, and a depleted creative workforce. The seamless digital tools on your screen rely on a very physical, costly reality. Navigating this environment requires moving past passive consumerism. Secure your own data, use two-factor authentication, and remain skeptical of an industry that demands so much while promising us the world.